Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video, mathematics lesson tayo ulit. So pag-uusapan naman natin ang conversion or how to convert dissimilar fractions into similar fractions. So matatandaan natin from our previous video, when you say similar fractions, ito yung fractions na equal or pareho yung denominator. Whereas dissimilar fractions, magkaiba ang denominator nila. So basically, ang gagawin natin dito, from magkaiba na denominator, i-convert natin sila na maging magkapareho ng denominator. Okay? So let's try to answer number 1. So for number 1, we have 1/3 and 1/4. Okay? So, ang una mong gagawin ay find their LCD. Okay? So, kung hindi pa alam kung paano kunin ang LCD, meron po tayong separate video. We have a separate video for getting the LCD. So, please watch it. Okay? So, LCD for 3 and 4. So, multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay? So, multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12. So, nakuha na natin yung kanilang LCD. No? So, 12. So, ngayon, meron na tayong common denominator. Okay? Which is 12. So, ngayon, syempre, unang ko-convert muna natin yung unang number, which is yung 1/3. To convert 1/3, okay, yung denominator ng dissimilar ay yung denominator ng dissimilar, makinig ha, ay gagawin mong divisor dito sa 12, sa common denominator nila, or simply 12, which is the common denominator, divided by the denominator ng dissimilar fraction, which is 3. So 12, itong dalawa, di-divide nyo ito. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 4, yung pag nakuha nyo na may 4, i-multiply nyo siya sa numerator. Okay? So 4 times 1 is 4. Again, para nakuha yung 4, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then, yung 4, i-multiply mo sa numerator, which is 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Okay? Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung una. Kukunin naman natin yung pangalawa. Yung 1/4 naman ay co-convert. Okay? Again, i-divide mo rin yung denominator ng similar into the denominator ng dissimilar. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then, pag nakuha mo yung 3, mumultiply mo siya dito sa numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. Therefore, ang sagot dito ay 4, 12, and 3, 12. So, yan ang conversion niya. Okay? So, ito. Number 2. 1/6 and 2/3. Okay? So, multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, and so on. No? Sa unang tingin pa lang, dapat alam nyo na ang LCD nito. So, multiple of 3 is 3, 6. So, yun. Nakuha natin yung LCD niya, which is 6. And then, again, divide natin yung bagong numerator sa lumang divide natin yung bagong denominator sa lumang denominator. No? So, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay? So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, ito na sagot natin. So, sagot dito ay 1, 6 and 4, 6. Okay? So, number 3 tayo. Number 3. 215 and 7/10. Okay? So, multiple of 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and so on. And then yung multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, nakuha na natin yung LCD niya, which is 30. So, susulat natin dito. Okay? So, 30 divided by 15 is 30 divided by 15 is 2. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Okay? So, 30 divided by 10 is 3. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So, ito ang converted niya. Four 30 and 21/30. 4, 30, 21, 30. Okay, so number 4, 5, 6, and 7, 12. So, multiple of 6, 6, 12, 18, and so on. Hindi natin i-continue yan. So, multiple of 12 is 12, 24. Now, lumabas na yung parehas nila. So, denominator nito ay 12. Okay? First numerator, 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? 12 divided by 12 is 1. 7 times 1 is 7. So, ayan ang converted version natin for number 4. Okay? So, 5, 9, 10, and so, hindi to plus guys. Hindi to plus. Ano yan conversion lang tayo. Okay, 9, 10, and 2/3. Okay? So, multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Hanggang 100. 14 times 10. Okay? The multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So, obviously, 30 ang LCD. Okay? So, convert, denominator nila ay 30. So, 30 divided by 10 is 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay? So, 30 divided by 3 is 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So, ito yung converted version for number 5. Okay? So, when it comes to converting this, dissimilar to similar, so hindi talaga siya magiging lowest term. Kasi ang aim natin ay maging parehas yung denominator nila. So, I hope guys na meron kayong natutunan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and paki-like na rin po. And salamat.